Welcome to the block data connection. Let's go over what we are going to learn in this block. We will review different types of connection to data sources. We will go over live connection and direct query, their commonalities and differences, and when they are used. We will review data import connection and when to choose this connection type. We will learn what is data connector and which are available in Power BI desktop. During practice, we will learn how to connect to local file sources like Excel, CSV, and JSON. Also, we will connect to cloud-based sources like Google Analytics, Sites, and Mail Exchange Online.